Congratulations.
Thank you.
Sabi mo kanina, you wanted to parang try different genres, no? Pero, now that you are signed in sa DMX, ano ba yung ultimate goal mo as an actor?
As an actor, well, to be honest, chance happening talaga. At all honesty, I wasn't really thinking of coming back talaga because of my experience. But when I got the offer, everything just fell into place. It felt right. So my ultimate goal is to prove to yung mga basher ko na ito ako ngayon. Mas magaling ako umarte ngayon. Mas palaban ako ngayon. So gusto ko parang makita nila na mas okay yung Angel Castro ngayon kaysa sa yung napanood nila noon.
Yung Claire Castro ba noon, paano mo ba siya ma-describe compared to, yan sabi mo mas palaban na si Angel ngayon, but si Claire Castro, ano ba siya dati?
Weak.
Mm-hmm.
She's very weak. You could say something about me, I would cry about it for days. Basher, death threats, I would cry.
Pero ano yung turning point? Kasi sabi mo, ngayon wala ka nagpalap sa mga bashing eh. Ano yung turning point? What made you this strong woman that you are right now?
Being surrounded by good friends and good people, and my handler, si Sir Ethan Dayson, he believed in me before I believed in myself. So, siya talaga yung nag-push sa akin, kaya mo yan, magaling ka, ginaganyan din niya ako, kahit feeling ko minsan hindi. So, yun po talaga.
And also, of course, maraming makakapanood sa'yo, maraming women of your age. Ano yung message mo sa kanila? To those women na they're not comfortable in their own skin, in their own body. What's your message to them?
Neither am I. I mean, I have some flaws. I have a lot of flaws. Like,
But you're confident.
I'm confident even if I'm not perfect. You don't have to be perfect to be confident. Just love how you look. Love how you... it's not all about looks eh. If you have a kind personality, if you're funny, if you're nice to people, that's something to brag about. It's not all about looks. If you're talented, brag about it. Not everything is about aesthetics.
Very well said. Thank you and congrats.
Thank you. That was Nikki Wang.